Hello guys. Up to diagnosis we have discussed. Okay. So I hope you all have gone through my first and second part of hepatitis C. And if you not, you see that I have shared link in the description box. You must go through the first and second part of hepatitis C. Okay. So now today we are going to discuss its medical management, that is medical treatment and surgery, nursing management, patient instruction, prevention and health education. Okay, so before I start I would like to say that please guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I will be able to make more video. बिकॉज़ जब आप मेरी वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करते हो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में, तो मुझे एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है अंदर से एंड इट इनकरेज मी टू मेक मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड यूज़फुल वीडियो फॉर यू ऑल. Okay, so please guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. So now let's move on to the topic that we see today. Okay, first we see the medical treatment of hepatitis C. Okay, so there are treatment for hepatitis C. It can even be cured in many cases. Okay, treatment is a combination of medicine called peg interferon and ribavirin that are given for 6 to 12 months. Okay, hepatitis C can be cured in 30 to 90% of people who started treatment, and the treatment can be tough. It can cause side effect also. Okay, like depression, anemia, fatigue. But with treatment, okay, but with treatment it can cure hepatitis C. Okay, so ready to try this because it causes liver disease and we cannot live without it, and other condition and other situation where people cannot receive the treatment like because of something else wrong with their health. There are many contraindication like anemia that can interfere with hepatitis C treatment. In fact, pregnant women absolutely should not get treatment because it causes problem to their baby, isn't it? Okay, so what are the medication we see that interferon alpha, interferon A, pegylated type, peg SA, peg interferon. Okay, interferon is a protein that the body makes naturally in response to viral infection in order to fight the infection. Okay, pegylation describe a chemical process that make the interferon last longer in the body. Okay, and ribavirin virazole given has a little effect on HCV, but interferon increases its potential, isn't it? So एंड ऑल्सो एंड और अगर हम ट्रीटमेंट को विद दिस इंटरफेरॉन और रिबाविरिन के एज अ कॉम्बिनेशन अगर हम मेडिसिन देंगे पेशेंट को तो ये ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव होगा. ओके, सो लेटर ऑन वी डिस्कस दिस इन डिटेल. ओके, and also there are surgery and other therapy like for in-disease liver disease. The only treatment is liver transplantation. Okay, अगर patient में already liver cirrhosis, liver cancer अगर develop कर चुका है तो फाइनल ट्रीटमेंट हमारा जो है सर्जरी है, जो हमारा लीवर ट्रांसप्लांट होता है. ओके, सो वी सी व्हाट आर द गोल एंड ट्रीटमेंट फॉर हेपेटाइटिस सी. First we see the current state of first we see the current, what are the current state of treatment for hepatitis C, isn't it? So combination of medicine called pegylated interferon and ribavirin. Okay, there is a medicine available like combination of, I have already said the combination of medicine called pegylated interferon and ribavirin are more beneficial. Okay, because peg interferon is a medicine that inserted the body immune system. Okay, they help to get rid of hepatitis C virus, and ribavirin slow down the multiplication of the viruses so that the body can more easily get rid of it. Okay, and ribavirin work best when it is taken with peg interferon. Peg interferon is given as an injection under the skin one time per week, like once a week, isn't it? And ribavirin is given as 2 to 3 capsules that are swallowed twice a day with food. Okay, what are the goal, and now we see what the goal and treatment, goal of treatment for hepatitis C. Like clear all the hepatitis C virus from the body, sustain its response. Next is slow or stop damage to the liver. Okay, our goal of treatment is slow or stop damage to the liver, help in decreases symptoms. Okay, so the main of treatment, the aim of treatment are achieve two things, like curing your hepatitis C and stopping ongoing damage to the liver. If someone is considered to be cured, if no hepatitis C virus can be found in the blood 6 months after completing treatment, right? So and also आपके मन में बहुत सारे सवाल भी होंगे कि हाउ लॉन्ग द ट्रीटमेंट टेक, ट्रीटमेंट कितना टाइम लेता है. ओके, सो पेग इंटरफेरन रियावायरन आर गिवन 24 to 48 वीक which is same as 6 or 12 month. Okay, and various different factor can affect the treatment, like first is hepatitis genotype 1, 4, 5 and 6 take hardly to treat, so people infected with this genotype always need 48 week of treatment. However, if they have genotype 2 and 3, which are easy to treat, then only need 24 week of treatment. Okay, and the chances of cure from hepatitis C, what are the chances of cure from hepatitis C? That the infection can be cured in 30 to 90% of patient who started treatment, right? And chances of cure can depend upon number of things, like first is genotype of hepatitis C virus, like genotype 1, 4, 5 and 6 respond well to a treatment, where genotype 2 and 3 usually respond well. Okay, there is also gene that is common in Asian people that increases chances of being cured. And then hepatitis C viral load is important too. We check hepatitis C viral load too. Okay, if the hepatitis C viral load is less in blood, the chances of responding treatment is high. Okay, it is very important to take treatment as prescribed every day, every week, isn't it? And we will recommend people avoid alcohol and using drug during their treatment, because they can increase the risk of side effect, which sometime may lead to stopping the treatment, isn't it? So also some of you might have and also some of you might have one question, that is there any situation where hepatitis C treatment should be not taken? So yes, there are some contraindication also. First of all, ribavirin can cause severe birth effect. So the treatment of peg interferon and ribavirin cannot be taken by women who are pregnant or who are thinking about getting pregnant. Also, hepatitis C treatment should not be taken by women who are breastfeeding to prevent from passing through breast milk to their baby. Okay, for men also, because ribavirin can damage the sperm, so hepatitis C treatment should not be started in a male who is unable to use reliable form of birth control during the whole treatment period and for 6 months after then. Treatment also should not be taken by patients who have other causes of liver disease such as heavy alcohol drinking. It cannot be taken by people who have undergoing severe psychiatric disease such as depression or other severe disease, like depression, as you have already seen in sign and symptom of hepatitis C in previous video, that the disease itself produces sign and symptom, depression and cognitive changes, isn't it? And also the drug that we give the treatment of hepatitis C, that also produces the side effect like psychiatric symptoms. So हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं इसमें कि एक तो डिजीज़ खुद से भी साइकेट्रिक लाइक प्रॉब्लम शो करता है पेशेंट में, और जो हम लोग ट्रीटमेंट के दौरान जो हम लोग ड्रग देते हैं वो भी साइकेट्रिक प्रॉब्लम शो करता है. तो अगर पेशेंट को पहले से ही अगर कोई साइकेट्रिक प्रॉब्लम है, वो अनगोइंग चल रहा है सीवियर साइकेट्रिक प्रॉब्लम, तो अगर हम लोग पहले से चल भी रहा है और उसमें अगर हम लोग ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट कर देंगे जो कि हमारा कॉमन साइड इफेक्ट कॉज करता है साइकेट्रिक का, तो ये क्वाइट डेंजरस होगा. ओके, सो it is quite risky, isn't it? So we should be careful while treating the patient. Okay, and we should not that it cannot be taken by people who have other severe disease also. Uh, for example disease of the eye, lung, kidney, or the heart. Okay, then patient who have very low red blood cell, while white blood cell or platelet in the blood should also not start the treatment. Okay, we usually check for this condition through physical examination before giving the treatment, and some simple blood test also. If patient is not having any of this contraindication for starting treatment, it is quite good for a patient for giving the treatment. Okay, and there also what the treatment is available, that we have already seen, that interferon given by shot usually 3 times a week. Then next is pegylated interferon long acting taken once a week. Then combination therapy, it's work better, like interferon combination therapy, interferon standard or pegylated taken with ribavirin, and ribavirin is a pill taken twice daily. Okay, and during the treatment what we see, medication taken for either 6 or 12 months, blood testing required 2 to 3 times that the first month, then every 4 week, clinic visit every month. Okay, interferon must be refrigerated. You see that a ribavirin must be taken with food, and the genotype of hepatitis C 1, 4, 5 and 6 take 48 week of treatment, while genotype 2 and 3 take 24 to 48 week of treatment. And what are the side effect of interferon and ribavirin? Okay, what are the common side effect? Like it is very important to know what the side effect can happen with the hepatitis C treatment. So most patients usually experience at least one type of side effect. Most of them are not severe and making get better over time. Okay, the most common side effect include flu like symptoms, for example fever, chill, muscle headache, being tired, skin reactions such as at the side of taking peg interferon injection, such as redness, swelling and itching. Okay, and skin dryness, it causes skin dryness and itchiness over the body, problem with mood, difficulty with sleep, appetite changes such as weight loss, anemia means low WBC, low RBC. However, severe side effect can also occur. It include, for example, mental health issue such as depression, being anxious, severe anemia, severe drop in WBC which increase the risk for other infection. Okay, severe drop in amount of platelet in blood which increase the risk for bleeding and heart problem. Uh, so you will increase chances of being cured if you do not miss peg interferon injection or doses of ribavirin. You always take your medicine at the right time. You take ribavirin with food. Okay, so there are also various complementary therapy. Okay, like aromatherapy, massage therapy, meditation and visualization, yoga. First we see the aromatherapy. What is this? Aromatherapy can be used to enhance the quality of life as a complementary treatment. Okay, like it reducing stress, pain and depression which may overcome the drug side effect, and by producing a feeling of well-being. Okay, and there are also massage therapy that we give to the patient, meditation and visualization, yoga, as you already know that yoga give so much health benefit. Okay, not for this disease also, it help in various diseases. So it protect us and fight against from, it enhances our body immunity. Okay, हमारे बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी को और इन्हांस करता है और बढ़ाता है. So yoga also help in reducing and overcome from various side effect of drug that causes. Okay, it produces calmness. One question that come to our mind is, do we have to be careful when someone hang out with infected person to avoid getting hepatitis C? So there is a good news that hepatitis C not transmitted through social contact, so it is safe to touch, hug, etc. Okay, like hepatitis C is not spread by sneezing, coughing, food or water, sharing drinking glasses or drinking utensil, handshake, holding hand, hugging, kissing on the cheek, playing with children, donating blood. So these all factors are not responsible for spreading of hepatitis C. Okay. Now we will move on to the next topic, that we see nursing management. So in nursing management, first we see the nursing assessment. Okay. Assess for systemic and liver related symptom. Okay, obtain history such as IV drug use, sexual activity in travel, and ingestion of possible contaminated food or water to assess for any mode of transmission of the virus. Obtain history is first we done to the patient, such as we collect history regarding if patient having IV drug use, sexual activity, ताकि assess कर सके what is the mode of transmission that person is having hepatitis C, कैसे वो infect हुआ है, exposed हुआ है hepatitis C virus के contact में. That's why we collect the history. Okay, assess size and texture of liver to detect enlargement or characteristic of cirrhosis. We assess the liver size and texture to detect to detect any enlargement or characteristic of cirrhosis present over there or not. And obtain vital sign including temperature. So what come under vital sign? In vital sign we check body temperature, okay, pulse, respiration of the patient. We kindly monitor these vital signs. And what the we will now move on to the nursing diagnosis. What are the nursing diagnosis we done in the patient? Okay, so imbalanced nutrition, less in body requirement related to the effect of liver dysfunction we diagnose. Deficient fluid volume related to the nausea and vomiting. Activity intolerance related to anorexia and liver dysfunction. Okay, so what do you mean by anorexia? Anorexia means an eating disorder characteristic by loss of appetite or inability to eat. We diagnose to the patient. ये हम लोग diagnose करेंगे patient में. Okay, और risk for injury to coagulopathy because of impaired liver function. Coagulopathy क्या होता है? Coagulopathy is a clotting disorder because excessive bleeding in this condition, okay, actually because it causes excessive bleeding, okay, and in this condition blood ability to clot is impaired, as we have discussed earlier in liver function. Okay, liver help in blood clotting, which is bleeding when we get a cut. So impaired liver function ability to clot is impaired and can lead to coagulopath. And also drug side effect also cause this problem. Okay, लाइक ब्लड ड्रग लाइक ड्रग का जो साइड इफ़ेक्ट है उससे भी हमारा जो है ब्लड क्लॉटिंग में हमारा ब्लड क्लॉटिंग को रिड्यूस करता है. ओके, प्रॉब्लम करता है. एंड ये इंक्रीज़ करता है रिस्क ऑफ ब्लीडिंग के. जब अगर ब्लड क्लॉटिंग अगर इम्पेयर हो जाएगा हमारा तो हमारा ब्लीडिंग जो है उसका चांसेस इंक्रीज़ हो जाता है हमारे बॉडी में. ओके, and next we see deficient knowledge. If patient deficient knowledge, then also we have to diagnose disturbed thought process to encephalopathy. Encephalopathy means like hepatic encephalopathy is a nervous system disorder brought on by severe chronic or severe liver disease. A disease liver like a disease, liver struggle to filter toxin. Okay, when the liver doesn't work properly, toxin build up in the blood. These toxin can travel to the brain and affect brain function. Okay, people with hepatic encephalopathy may seem confused. So these all are the nursing diagnoses. We have diagnosed this in the patient. Next is nursing intervention. Okay, so in nursing intervention what we will do, maintaining adequate nutrition. Okay, encourage small frequent feeding of high calorie low fat diet we encourage to the patient. Okay, and also cirrhosis patient have to, or also cirrhosis patient and liver disease patient have to follow some diet plan. Like people with cirrhosis can experience malnutrition, so they are advised to take coconut water, reddish, fresh vegetable soup, okay, sorry, salad, juices, sugar cane juices, and they should avoid smoking, alcohol, non-veg, okay, packed food, junk food, frozen food, artificial food, painkiller, high protein diet should not taken. Okay, citrus food and yogurt and heavy greasy cheese diet, ये सब avoid करना है. ओके, ये सब अवॉइड करना है पेशेंट को. Avoid large quantity of protein during acute phase of illness. Okay, encourage taking pleasing milk in an environment with minimal noxious stimuli. Noxious stimuli means ओडर नॉइज़ इंटरप्शन इन द इन्वायरमेंट जो होता है वो हमें अवॉइड करना है, मिनिमाइज़ करना है. देन एडमिनिस्टर और टीच सेल्फ एडमिनिस्टर ऑफ एंटी एमेटिक एज प्रिस्क्राइब. एंटी एमेटिक मीन्स इफ पेशेंट इज हैविंग वॉमिटिंग दे शुड they should take anti-emetic drug as prescribed by the physician. We teach them how to take. Okay. Then maintaining adequate fluid intake. Okay. Provide frequent oral fluid as tolerated. Administer IV fluid for patient with inability to maintain oral fluid. Monitor intake and output chart. We should monitor intake and output chart of the patient. It is very important. Okay, it is very important. We should check. Maintaining adequate rest. Promote then maintaining adequate rest, we see promote period of rest during symptom producing phase. Means promote period of rest during symptom producing phase according to the level of fatigue. Okay. Provide emotional support and diversional activity. डाइवर्शनल एक्टिविटी मतलब हमें रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी हम प्रमोट करेंगे पेशेंट में सपोर्ट करने के लिए फॉर इमोशनली. एंड इनकरेज ग्रेजुअल रिजम्पशन ऑफ एक्टिविटी एंड माइल्ड एक्सरसाइज ड्यूरिंग कॉन्वलेसेंट पीरियड. convalescent period, like in this is gradual. In this period क्या होता है, gradually रिकवरी पीरियड ऑफ हेल्थ होता है पेशेंट का. व्हेन पेशेंट गेट रिकवर एंड स्ट्रेंथ आफ्टर इलनेस और इंजरी. हमें इसमें इंक्रीज करना है पेशेंट को. प्रमोट कंफर्ट बाय एडमिनिस्ट्रिंग एनाल्जेसिक एज प्रिस्क्राइब. ओके, सो एनाल्जेसिक मीन्स पेन किलर ड्रग वी गिव टू द पेशेंट टू रिलीव पेन. ओके, सो प्रमोट करना है. प्रमोट कंफर्ट बाय एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिंग और टीचिंग सेल्फ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ एनाल्जेसिक एज प्रिस्क्राइब. कैसे हम ले सकते हैं, अगर हमें पेन हो रहा है तो पेन किलर हम कैसे ले सकते हैं, किस टाइम ले सकते हैं, हमें पेशेंट को एडवाइस कराना है. पेशेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन. What are the patient instruction we see? Eat a varied healthy diet, take part in some physical activity daily and get plenty of rest. Okay. Next is drink plenty of water and other non-caffeinated fluid and stay well hydrated. Avoid alcoholic beverage and medicines such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug like Brufen, Aleve, Advil that can harmful in people with liver disease. Okay, if you have symptoms, avoid prolonged or vigorous physical exercise until your symptoms improve. If symptom worsens at any time, contact your doctor immediately. What are the prevention we take? Caregiver should wear gloves, masks, gown or safety goggles when handling blood product and instrument. Okay. Next, consider the risks of getting hepatitis C before having tattoo or body piercing. If patient use illegal or street drugs, never reuse or share needle or syringes. Do not share toothbrushes, razor or other personal care item. Next is, if mother infected with hepatitis C should stop breastfeeding if their nipple are cracked or bleeding. Okay, use lattice condom when having a sex. What are the self-care at home we give? The goal of self-care are to relieve symptoms and prevent worsening of the disease. Okay, like drink plenty of fluid to prevent dehydration, avoid medicine substances that can cause harm to the liver such as acetaminophen, Tylenol. What is Tylenol? Tylenol is given to treat pain or fever. Like Tylenol is a pain reliever or fever reducer medicine. Okay, avoid drinking alcohol until your healthcare provider okay it. If your infection become chronic, you should avoid alcohol for the rest of your life. Other is avoid using drug, even legal drug, without consulting your doctor. Hepatitis can change the way drug affect you. Do not start any medication without first talking to your healthcare provider. Try to eat enough for adequate nutrition. Try to maintain a balanced diet. Many people with hepatitis have the greatest urge to eat early in the day, so we should notice that. Next is take it easy. Your activity level should match your energy level. And next, educate about the following, that how we can educate to the patient about the disease so that they they come less contact with this type of disease. Okay, like avoid sharing toothbrush and dental or saving equipment. like हम पेशेंट को एडुकेट करेंगे कि एक ही ब्रश या फिर एक ही डेंटल इक्विपमेंट सेविंग करने का जो हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं वो सेम पर्सन का यूज़ ना करे, सब अपना इंडिविजुअल यूज़ करे. कवर एनी ब्लीडिंग वुंड टू प्रिवेंट पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ अदर कमिंग इनटू कांटेक्ट विद इन्फेक्टेड ब्लड. अब जो भी ब्लीडिंग है, जो भी अगर वुंड है, उसको हमें कवर करके रखना है ताकि वो कांटेक्ट में ना आए, इन्फेक्टेड ब्लड के कांटेक्ट में ना आए, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा चांसेस है उसे तुरंत फैल जाए इन्फेक्शन. काउंसिल टू अवॉइड यूजिंग इलिसिट ड्रग एंड इंटर सब्सटेंस अब्यूज ट्रीटमेंट. हमें पेशेंट को हमें पीपल को काउंसिल करना है कि जो इलीगल जो ड्रग जो पीपल जो लेते हैं, जो अब्यूज़ करते हैं, उससे हम लोग रोक सके, उसे ना करें, क्योंकि इससे बहुत हमारा मेजर साइड इफ़ेक्ट, बहुत हमारा इससे बहुत तरह के हम डिजीज़ इससे ले सकते हैं, इससे हमारे पास आ सकते हैं बहुत सारे डिजीज़, हम इन्फेक्ट हो सकते हैं. ओके. काउंसिल टू अवॉइड रीयूजिंग और शेयरिंग सिरिंज नीडल और एनी सप्लाई फॉर दोज कंटिन्यू टू यूज़ इंजेक्टेबल ड्रग. ओके. हमें एक ही इंजेक्शन, एक ही सिरिंज को हेल्थ केयर वर्कर को अगर कोई यूज़ करे तो हमें इसे रोकना है कि आप एक ही सिरिंज से सारे पेशेंट को आप नहीं दे सकते, जो कि अब यूज़ भी नहीं होता है. लेकिन अगर यूज़ होता है कहीं पे भी तो हमें उसे प्रॉपरली चेक करना है कि सेम सिरिंज से अलग पेशेंट को, जो पेशेंट को ट्रीट हो रहा है, सेम सिरिंज यूज़ करके दूसरे पेशेंट पे वो ना यूज़ करें. ओके. सेम सिरिंज हम दूसरे पेशेंट पे ना यूज़ करें. हर एक इंडिविजुअल, हर एक पेशेंट के लिए हम न्यू स्टेराइल सिरिंज यूज़ कर सके फॉर ड्रग इंजेक्टिंग. ओके. फॉर मेडिकेशन इंजेक्टिंग. एंड अवॉइड डोनेटिंग ब्लड in those co-infected with HIV. Consider using barrier precaution to prevent sexual transmission. अगर कोई पेशेंट को अगर हेपेटाइटिस सी है या फिर HIV ऐसे डिजीज़ हैं, वायरल डिजीज़ हैं, तो हमें उसे प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशन लेना है ताकि वो सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड ना हो, क्योंकि HIV, हेपेटाइटिस सी सब सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज़ में भी आते हैं. तो हमें प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशन लेना है, लाइक लेटेस्ट कॉन्डम यूज़ करना है बिफोर हैविंग सेक्स. ओके. Proper cleaning of contaminated surface with a dilution of 1 part household bleach to 9 part water. हमें प्रॉपर क्लीनिंग करना है कॉन्टेमिनेटेड सरफेस का विद डाइल्यूशन ऑफ 1 पार्ट हाउसहोल्ड ब्लीच टू 9 पार्ट वाटर. ओके. के साथ ऑलवेज वियर ग्लव्स व्हेन क्लीनिंग अ ब्लड स्पिल. हमें हमेशा ग्लव्स वियर करना है जब भी हम ब्लड के कांटेक्ट में आएंगे. देन सो नाउ I like to summarize the topic. So far we have discussed that hepatitis C is caused by hepatitis C virus as it enter in a body through various routes, mainly through blood to blood contact, and harm the liver and cause serious damage to the liver. Okay, its incubation period is 40 to 180 days. Then we see different phases of HCV virus, which is infectious phase, inflammation phase, fibrosis phase, cirrhosis phase. Then we learn clinical feature in which two forms of hepatitis C, which is acute hepatitis C and chronic hepatitis C, and their sign and symptom. Okay. Then we see its complication and various methods through which we diagnose hepatitis C. Then we see medical management and then treatment, nursing management, some preventive measure and control, and lastly we see how we can give health education to the patient and their relative and advise them how to give self-care at home. Okay. Then the conclusion. With this I have concluded my topic, that is hepatitis C. I have covered all the important points, okay, in part by part video. Thing that our advice to do for support of liver is, the most important thing is to avoid drinking too much alcohol. Drinking alcohol, especially in elderly men, can cause liver inflammation, which can make hepatitis C infection worse. Okay. Another thing is to avoid taking medicine that may damage liver. Abstain from smoking. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet. Okay. Regular exercise is also important, and as hepatitis C can be transmitted in different way, as I taught you, and there have been cases where people are infected with second time with different type of hepatitis C or reinfected after hepatitis C treatment. So it is important to avoid all the way hepatitis C can be transmitted. So last, I would conclude that our liver is a life giver and our life love the liver. So we should take proper precaution to avoid this type of infection. Okay. So there is also some assignment for you guys. You write in this comment box. You give answer in the comment box. Okay. So that I can evaluate that how much you gain knowledge, information from my video. Also, you know the okay. So please write in the comment box of this question. Answer this question, okay? So, and also you know World Hepatitis D is celebrated on 28th July. Okay, so awareness, prevention, and fight from hepatitis C we can only done by preventing, by taking proper precaution. Okay, so thank you very much guys for listening my video, and please guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can upload more video for you. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Bye bye.